That package is one of my gift for Mother's Day too. I bought that for you and I bought that in Japan, and then it delivered to my second mom, Cindy, and Cindy sent it in here. So let's look what is inside. Excited ka naman, Inay. Super excited ka.
Siyempre, hindi ako marunong magbukas ng damo.
Ay, hindi marunong magbukas ng package. Liit-liit. Ano kaya yung...
Ba yan?
Ayaw magpabukas yung package.
Kailangan pala malaking bukas.
Buksan mo din kasi hindi ka ba marunong
Kasi
maglakad.
binuksan yung ilaw, kaya madilim.
Tingnan ko nga yan.
Madilim dapat.
I-open mo din tong papel kasi yung papel makikita natin galing Japan. That package is from Japan. I wanna read it too.
Kasi
You have so many gifts. Oh my goodness, Nan, I can't
open.
Oh my. Needs light.
Daming ka.
Where's the... Give me, I need to, like... This...
Mali kasi yung buti yung malaki dapat pang kinuha ko, no? Maliit eh.
Gusto ko lang mababasa yung ano. Kasi... This paper. From Japan. Now open the box. Where is the one that is from Japan? Maybe it's inside. No, it's inside.
Ano ba naman itong papel na to?
I had a hard time opening the package. I'll wait that for a long time too. It's that gift. It's for you and I. It's two. Okay, that's a good. Okay, is that mine or yours? Wait, baka magasgas. It's really ano.
Watch.
Ito, buksan mo. Ito, buksan mo. That's yours. It's, yeah. I bought that when I have work. Now, I don't have work, so. Please don't scratch it.
Wow!
See? That's automatic Seiko 5. That's first. And this is mine. That's automatic. You don't need battery.
Thank you so much.
See how beautiful is that? Oh my gosh.
May pang ano na ako.
And is it a big? We can resize it because we just open mine. Wait. I don't want. Ako na lang mag-open, baka magasgas. Yeah. Yep. This is mine. Same Seiko. It's automatic as well.
Magkaiba tayo ng paborito.
Mine is a super.
Type ko
I want small.
yung kita ka. Yan. Ayan. Ay, naku.
Yeah,
dalawa na
Seiko, and
favorite
it's
ko.
automatic too. So, yeah, my
Ang
hands.
ganda ng loob.
Yeah, Seiko 5. It's automatic. It's my first watch that automatic. Now, see yours? It's both Seiko. Yeah. Seiko 5. Both Seiko 5. Yours is white, bigger, because you always want like bigger.
Thanks.
Ano mo,
Thank you so much.
ano mo, suot mo, check natin para we're going later to like reduce the bracelet.
O, igagaya dito.
Same size of your old ones. That we don't need.
Battery.
Yes, it's automatic.
Oh, naku, napakalaki pala ng
It's gonna adjust it. Yeah. It's same face ba? Yung laki?
Mas malaki pa to.
So, it's beautiful. Yeah. You can wear that in Pinas. Just don't just even when you're you're sleeping, just you wear it.
Tignan ko. Dito na lang iyan.
Yeah,
Dito na lang ipapares. Ayoko
same
ng
size
sobra
of
sikip.
same size of that. We're gonna go.
Ayoko naman sobra sikip.
Yeah,
Okay lang itong size. Dito ko na lang ipapares.
it's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Ang ganda. Ano
We
yun?
need to adjust the date and the time
Ano ito?
because it's
Unisex?
Japan. Yes.
Unisex na relo.
Yes, unisex. And me, I like smaller, like baby.
Pag pinaano natin, pati yung
Yes, the
araw at
date
petsa.
and the date and the time and everything. Yeah, because it's automatic. All right, sit.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Kailan talaga. Mapahappy ko rin